Now students, this is one of the most important part of this chapter, that question can come as, what are the qualitative characteristics of accounting information? Now I have given you the overview of the types and I will give you the details of each and every type. Okay, the first one is that reliability. Reliability means accounting informations must be reliable, which implies that the information must be factual and authenticate. The accounting information is said to have verifiability, which means if such information can be verified from the source documents such as cash memos, vouchers, purchase invoice, sales invoice, okay, property deed. So this ensures that the truthfulness of the recorded transactions can be independently checked by anyone interested in order to ascertain the true position of the business. Okay, moving to the next one, that is relevance. What is relevance? Relevance means the accounting information depicted by the financial statements must be relevant to the objectives of the enterprise. Unnecessary, irrelevant information should not be included there, because to be relevant, information must be capable of making difference in decision making. That is, it must help the management, investors, creditors, government agencies, anyone to make a proper decision making capacity. Okay. Then third comes understandability. Understandability means accounting information should be presented in such a manner, simple manner you can say it, that each and everybody can understood easily. Okay, each and everybody can understand it easily, such as the investors, lenders, employees, customers, everyone. A person who does not have any knowledge of accounting terminology should also be able to understand them without much difficulty. You have to make the presentation in such a way that a person with zero knowledge of accounting term can also have gotten at least an overview of the financial statements or the accounting information of that particular enterprise. And the last one is comparability, which means, see, while you are making a decision, while you have to take a decision, for that you have to compare, one thing with another, then only you can make the right choice. Suppose you have given plan A and plan B and you have asked to make the choice between those two. Now you have to make a comparison between these two, that whether plan A is more profitable for me or whether B is more profitable for me. In respect of time, in respect of labor, in respect of cost, you have to make a comparison between these two. Then only you can make a right decision. So while going through the accounting information, the information should be presented in such a manner that you can make a comparison between the accounting informations itself, maybe intra-firm or inter-firm, that is either within the organization or one organization with another. So this is one of the most important characteristics of accounting information, because otherwise, whether it's an investor or it's a creditor, it will be not possible for them to take a right decision unless and until they can make a better or a good comparison between the accounting informations.